A safe place, a place to heal. The first place I felt comfortable. These are the words that some of our clients have used to describe rape advocacy, counseling, and education services, or RACES. My name is Rachel Reardon, and I am alive today because of the services that RACES offers. As a survivor of sexual violence, my journey towards healing brought me to RACES over 10 years ago. I remember walking into RACES for the first time and feeling an enormous weight lifted off my shoulders when my counselor told me, "It's not your fault." It was a seemingly small gesture, but a life-changing one in my process towards healing. At RACES, I felt safe, I felt heard, and I no longer felt alone. Today, I'm the child and adolescent counselor at RACES. I not only have the unique experience of knowing my client's pain on an intimate level, but I also know the strength and resilience that can blossom with the right amount of support and empowerment. The work that my clients and I do together is hard work, but it's important. And for many of the individuals I serve, it's life-changing work. Individuals like my client, Michelle, who is 8 years old. Michelle and I have been seeing each other for over 2 years now, and she is just now opening up to me. With patience and empathy, our relationship has grown, and she has now entrusted me with her story. Each week, I am a safe haven for her when the rest of the world can be so scary and confusing. Michelle has also learned to feel more empowered by classes taught by RACES staff in her school. Now these services for Michelle and many like her are at risk. For 8 months, RACES has continued to serve our community despite the state of Illinois still owing us $200,000. We've been forced to make cuts to services and staff, reducing our clients' access to a safe space to heal. That's why we're launching our Save Our Services campaign. With your help, we can keep our doors open and continue to serve our community. We need you to join us and help fund our future. Donate now and help us save our services.